That's a sea eagle.
How does eagles? How does see? It's a sea eagle. It's a sea eagle.
No, 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 no.
Crocodile. It's also fat. It's a sea crocodile.
It's a fat crocodile.
Yeah, it's a fat crocodile. I know. But it's a big crocodile. But it's fat. Look, it's fat.
It's fat.
Let's see the. Stop making fun of the crocodile. 3 million. What?
13 feet crocodile. It's a fat crocodile.
Where's the big? Oh, I found another one. Me too. Yeah, it's a me. Wow. Look, there's two eagles. Yeah, there's two eagles. Wow. Guys, there are eagles. Yes. Ah! You can see out of us. I know. I already see. Oh, there's another one. I know.
Okay na sa taas dyan.
Hindi ay. Sirado na.
Basta na igamot. Vigo. Ah, they're up there. Up in the sky. Anak, kanang tulog man. Tulog? O kanang punuan tumoy man sa taas. Makukakuan o tuktok. Dako siya. Dako siya. Maklaro kung mag-pusing ko. Sige.
Tutusan to sila po sa
Hmm. Babae.
Batan-aw ni Balong kay basig. Diri ka magapan.
Klaro kay sa diri. Kaya wag ko niya ay. Pagka ay. Ano, pagkakaisa oh.
as ka ni si pagkakaisa ni. Dugay na giday na oh.
Pagkakaisa. Oh, 1992 pa oh. Napagiday sa. Buhay pagiday ni. Naptan na ako ni.
No.
Si pagkakaisa.
Oh, look at this cute one.
Yeah, that's an owl. That's over there.
Hi, owl.
Musik kali sosial.
You're the cat in the world fastest.
No, don't do that, Aubrey.
Si pagkakaisa wala na. Si pag-asa ditong patay na. Si pagkakaisa buhi pa
Ang
dahil.
kaning Shell Petroleum mo na igapinan sila ha.
Hmm.
Kaning sosial. Pare, hindi na sila kuan.
Lahi. Buwi pa din si pagkakaisa, si pag-asa dito yung namatay na. Kana si pagkakaisa, naabtan pa na ko rin dito na sa dako nga hula.
Bata pa ta?
Elementary pa
Ah,
natin.
I think we're here. Yeah, I can see the other one.
Brown deer.
Hi, God. Hi, go see.
What's in there?
Brown deer.
That's a dead end there.
Ah, oo.
Dead end.
Asa man dire ang deer?
Turo,
Hiding.
Isa lang?
upat.
The brown deer is hiding.
Kami na kuya.
It's a Mr. and Mrs. Eagle.
Hindi ka lang kita ng here.
Wow, very big.
Sa name nila.
Wala mo yung tawag sila yung nila. Wala mo yung to hear from you.
That means he's
You were learning where we are.
That means he's already when he was born in 1999. How old is she now? Try to count. 1999.
He's older than you, Luis, oh.
That means he's 25 years
1999. Moy!
Di ka sila kabutog ang back dire?
Na, may tubig.
Ay, mahadlok sila to.
Gamay naman lang sila. Dagan kayo sa sauna ba?
Daghan bitaw na sa una ay. Mama, yung gusto sa mong tigingan niya.